Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Granola AI with Google Meet. So first step is basically install and connect to your calendar. So um, Granola operates as a native desktop application. So it means that we will need to install it from Google. Um, so type in granola.ai and you will get it here to the web page, official web page, and you will see directly here download for free. Click on that and you will see here in the download history or in your file manager that the Granola is downloaded, and now you can install it to your computer. Now you just need to go through this installation process, um, click through, and yeah, just like that you will install Granola AI. So give me a moment to open up here. Now as you can see, you will need to log in. So let's go. I will go through Google. Now here, be careful, uh, give access to this calendar. So I will select all here, view events on all your calendars, see and download any calendar you can access using your Google Calendar. This allows Granola to pull meeting metadata to contextually organize your notes. And yeah, click on continue. Just like that, open Granola. Okay, wait a minute. All right. And as you can see, we are now in. Now, because Granola captures sound directly from your computer rather than sending a video boot, you must grant it system level audio access. So here on Windows, system permission typically grant automatically during installation. Um, to ensure your active microphone is set as the default communication device, go here to the settings. Okay, so now we are now in the settings. Under the system, go to the sound and you will ensure that we have this microphone. So I have it active, this one right here, which is great. Okay, so now we can close that. And yeah, once your calendar is linked and audio permission are set, handling your Google Meet calls is seamless. And now what we are going to do is simply just head over here to the Google Meet, click on new meeting, start an instant meeting, and right over here you will open up the start transcribing. You will get option here to add Granola, and that's pretty much it. Transcribing will start right here and you will get basically what you're talking into here. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next